Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I am going to give you the insight question answers from chapter 16 class 6 West Bengal Board Science book here around us. So let's start. What is wind? Moving air is called wind. How do wind help us? Wind can move things, fly a kite in the sky, or move up in wind. A strong wind can even uproot trees and damage property. Number 3. What is the function of wind vane? Wind vane or weathercock shows the direction of wind. Number 4. What will happen if we immerse an empty clear plastic bottle with cap and open the cap underwater? We can see air bubbles coming out of the bottle. Number 5. What is atmosphere? Our earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air called the atmosphere. Number 6. What is air? Air is a mixture of many gases. Number 7. The air is mainly composed of nitrogen and oxygen. Number 8. What is the composition of air? Air is a mixture of many gases. The air is mainly composed of nitrogen and oxygen. Under normal conditions, nitrogen make up 78% of air and oxygen make up 21% of air. The remaining 1% is made up of carbon dioxide, ozone, argon, water vapor, dust particles, etc. Number 9. How the composition of air vary from place to place. The composition of air may not be the same everywhere. Areas such as coastal regions have air that has more water vapor than desert, and places with polluted air will have more carbon dioxide as compared to non-polluted places. Which gas is a major component of air? Nitrogen. Number 11. Nitrogen is a odorless and colorless gas. Number 12. Nitrogen is an inert gas and non-supporter of combustion. 13. Why is nitrogen important? Nitrogen is important for plants and animals. Plants use nitrogen to make proteins which are then used by plants for their growth. Nitrogen is also used to prepare fertilizers that provide vital nitrogen to plants. Number 14. How aquatic animals use oxygen. Aquatic animals use the oxygen dissolved in water for respiration. Number 15. Oxygen supports combustion. Number 16. Burning can also occur in the presence of oxygen. Number 17. The mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders when they climb mountains. Why mountaineers carry oxygen cylinder when they climb mountains? As we move higher in the atmosphere, the air gets thinner and so the amount of oxygen gets lesser. This is the reason why mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders when they climb mountains. 18. Air contains only about 0.03% of carbon dioxide. It is very important gas. 19. How is carbon dioxide useful for plants? Carbon dioxide useful to plants. Plants use the carbon dioxide they take into their leaves to make food through photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Plants, like animals, take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide during respiration. Number 20. Why is carbon dioxide gas used in fire extinguishers? Carbon dioxide is used in fire extinguishers as it does not support burning. 21. How is carbon dioxide a major cause of air pollution? We burn things such as firewood, coal, and other fuels. Carbon dioxide released into the air and is a major cause of air pollution. 22. What are the result of water vapor that present in the atmosphere? Clouds, rain, snow, fog, frost, and dew. 23. How do the wet clothes become dry? Wet clothes dry due to the evaporation of water from the clothes. Number 24. How is water cycle dependent on the amount of water vapor present in air? Water evaporates from water bodies due to the heat of the sun, forms clouds and then falls as rain. In this way, water cycle in nature is dependent on the amount of water vapor present in air. 25. What is dust? Dust is the collective name given to the small pieces of dirt which we find outdoors as well as indoors or on furniture, floor, etc. Number 26. How dust and smoke are harmful and lead to air pollution. The burning of fuel produces smoke and it contains gases and fine dust particles that are often harmful and lead to air pollution. Why do we breathe through our nose and not through our mouth? Our nostrils have fine hair that prevents dust from entering our respiratory system. This is why we should breathe through our nose and not through our mouth. 28. What are air pollution? The addition of substances in the air in quantities that are harmful to living beings is called an air pollution. What are the major causes of air pollution? The major causes of air pollution are burning of fuels such as coal and petroleum, excessive burning of fuels such as wood, smoke, and harmful gases released from industries and smoke released by vehicles. Name a disease which is caused by air pollution. Asthma. 31. Write two ways to reduce air pollution. Planting more trees and using green fuels are a few ways to reduce air pollution. 32. How many times does a human being breathe in air in a day? 22,000 times in a day. What are stomata? Plants take in air through small opening in their leaves are called stomata. How is air important to plants? Plants use the oxygen from the air for the process of respiration. During respiration, oxygen is used to break down food to release energy. Plants use carbon dioxide from the air to make food through a process called photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis results in is creating oxygen that the plants release back into the air. How are oxygen and carbon dioxide balanced in nature? The balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is maintained through respiration in plants and animals, and by photosynthesis in plants. Oxygen is used up during respiration while carbon dioxide is released. Photosynthesis by plants uses carbon dioxide from the air and releases oxygen into the air. In this way, plants and animals help in maintaining the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide gases in the air. 36. How do earthworms breathe? Earthworms breathe through their moist skin. They lives in the soil and takes in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide through its moist skin from the air present in the air space between soil particles. 37. How are earthworms seen after heavy rain? So you have to include this answer at first, number 36. Okay. After that, this portion will be added. Floods and excessive rain cause water logging of the soil. This is why we see earthworms after heavy rains. Okay. Number 38. How do dolphins and whales breathe? Dolphins and whales do not breathe the dissolved air. They come to the surface of water regularly to breathe air. They have an opening on the top of opening on the top of their head for breathing called blowhole. 39. How do frogs breathe? Frogs live in both land and water, breathe through their moist skin as well as have well developed lungs for the exchange of gases. 41. What are sphericals? Insects like grasshoppers have small holes in their bodies called sphericals. 41. We human breathe in air through our nostrils. 42. What are the uses of air? Water cycle is possible only because of the water vapor present in air. The layer of atmosphere and the gases present in air protect us from harmful radiations of the sun. We hear sounds because air acts as a medium for sound to travel. Air helps in the dispersal of seeds that are light. Air helps move windmills to generate electricity. Air helps birds and insects fly. Land and sea breezes are due to movement of air. Air is used inside tires to reduce friction between automobiles and the road. 43. Write the difference between breathing and respiration. Breathing and respiration are not the same. Breathing is the process of taking in and giving out air, while respiration is the chemical process within our body that breaks down food to release energy. So these are the inside question answers from the chapter Air Around Us. I will give you the exercise question answers in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.